Hi everyone and welcome back to Caterpillar Cross Stitch. Today this video is going to be all about the first ever Caterpillar Stitch Retreat 2024. I'm so excited to share all of the really interesting details with you, so please do keep watching right to the end to discover all of the information that you're going to need to know. The Caterpillar Stitch Retreat is going to be held in Birmingham on the 22nd and 23rd of June 2024. It's a really amazing way of bringing together 300 incredible cross stitchers from our lovely community and really celebrating each other and our shared passion for this craft. This luxury cross stitch retreat is the most amazing way to escape from reality, relax and really spend some quality time with like-minded new friends that you're going to make there who share your passion for cross stitch. You can do as much or as little as you like, but we have planned some amazing activities. So if you do like to be on the go and take part in everything, you will not be bored. Likewise, if you prefer to just sit, relax, stitch, have a snack, have a drink and make some new friends in a lovely, comfortable environment, then you can absolutely do that too. There's no obligation to take part in anything specific. And there's so many people that are intending to come who are by themselves. I would even say the majority of people coming will be coming by themselves. So please do not be nervous, shy or worried at all if you are traveling to us alone, because by the end of that weekend, you are going to have so many brand new lovely friends. As far as we are aware, this will be the largest cross-stitch specific retreat in the UK. And we've worked so hard to ensure that this is going to be the most fantastic experience for you guys. And you're going to spend the next year talking to all of your friends about it and looking forward to the 2025 retreat too. We've chosen the 4-star Burlington Hotel for good reason. They host some amazing events there and they are really experienced in things just like this. It's a beautiful space with loads of room. It's very accessible, it's comfortable, it's luxury, there's gorgeous bedrooms as well. But the reason why we've chosen a hotel in the centre of Birmingham is because I know a lot of people like to use public transport. It's near to Birmingham Airport. It's literally a stone's throw. You can see it from New Street train station. And it's also easily accessible by car or by bus as well. It's pretty much smack bang in the middle of England. So whether you are from the south, northeast, northwest, Wales, wherever you might be, then hopefully you will find it easy to make your way to the middle of England, come and see us in Birmingham and come and stitch with us on our first ever retreat. We only have 300 tickets available, so it is a limited number and we do expect those to go very quickly based on the anticipated demand and feedback that we've had so far from our communities. Even just here on YouTube and in our Facebook group of nearly 19,000 stitchers, we've already had a great response, so thank you for that. And we have customized this retreat to include all of your favorite elements taken from the years, anything that you've suggested or requested. We have made sure that this event is going to be the best one you've ever been to. Tickets go on sale on the 26th of January and members actually get early access. So we will be contacting you if you are an All-Star Stitcher member for this year, because you will have first pick at getting your tickets. But if you are not an All-Star member, then you will be able to get your hands and secure your ticket on the 26th of January 2024. The tickets go on sale at 7 p.m. UK time, that's GMT London time, on the dot. So if you are interested, then please do be quick. Please visit our website, caterpillarcrossstitch.com, at 7 p.m. on Friday the 26th of January, and that way you will be first in line to get your hands on a ticket. Whether you come by yourself, whether you bring a big group of friends from wherever you live, you might come on the train together or even hire a little minibus and make a road trip of it. This is going to be an amazing weekend, and you might want to come with a friend or family member and get 2 tickets and make it a little mini break. You could even come longer than the weekend itself. You could always out on a Friday or a Monday and come and discover the West Midlands you might not have visited before. But there is lots that Birmingham is famous for, and you can visit and view and discover all of the lovely areas around Birmingham as well. We're also producing a PDF instant download guide do everything you need to know about the retreat, the hotel itself, the Burlington, and also other hotels available nearby for accommodation options, restaurants, bars, things to do as well. If you're new around here, then hi, I'm Sally. I am the founder and creative director here at Caterpillar Cross Stitch, and together with my colleague, our creative lead, Molly, we are both managing this event. But you can also expect to see lots of other Caterpillar Cross Stitch team members there to help you with anything that you might need. We will be the ones in the customized retreat-specific t-shirts, which also are part of our VIP package, so you can get your hands on one of the same t-shirts too. But I promise we won't mistake you for a member of staff. So what kind of things can you expect at our first ever Caterpillar Stitch retreat? So one of the options we have is an optional finishing workshop with me. So I will be taking people, if you opt for the VIP option, off separately so that we can go through a finishing ornament, a decoration, and all of the supplies for that are also included. But what you will get, even with just the standard tickets, is access to the whole weekend event. We have unlimited tea, coffee, water, and also lots of pastries and cakes and snacks and things like that. And also you will get a project bag, which is brand new design just for the retreat. And inside there you will get a unique exclusive cross-stitch kit, again designed specifically with Birmingham in mind, and a brand new needle minder. There will also be other threads and fabrics and goodies in there as well, maybe a sweet treat or two. So you've got this lovely cross-stitch project bundle bag, if you like, to keep you going throughout the weekend. And if you opt for the VIP ticket, you will also receive one of these exclusive retreat t-shirts, which come in a variety of sizes from extra small to XXL. And then you will also get access to our special finishing workshop with yours truly. For everyone at the event, we will also have live stitching socials. So myself and the whole Caterpillar team will be going around all of the tables, and we will be stitching and interacting with you, giving you any tips, inspiration, ideas, and if you have any questions at all, we will be answering all of those. At our retreat, we're also going to be having a brag table. So we know you guys are so proud, as you rightly should be, of all of your beautiful finished cross-stitch work from over the years. So whether it's from Caterpillar Cross Stitch or not, we do not mind. Please bring everything you've got with you, display it on there, and there will be prizes for first, second, and third prize places of the finished projects that we have selected as the best. We've also got a swap shop, so if you have cross-stitch kits, accessories, patterns, things that you haven't ever used, or maybe a magazine, something that you are able to swap, what we're going to do is swap that with someone else. You can choose what you would like in return. It's agreeable with that other person. And then instead of exchanging money, you can make a donation, which we will contribute towards a local charity instead. But it's a really great way of being sustainable and reusing those items that you don't want anymore, but someone else might absolutely adore. There will also be a special Caterpillar Cross Stitch pop-up shop where you'll be able to get your hands on all of your favorite goodies at a special event discounted price. As well, we will be hosting a raffle, so you will be able to get your tickets for that and hopefully win some lovely prizes too. We've also got a Love It Stitch It cross-stitch design stand where you will be able to have a go at creating your very own cross-stitch patterns using our unique software. Our team will be there too to walk you through it every step of the way. So you will leave that retreat as well, having had a go of designing your very own pattern, customizing it with a name, text, or quote, or even uploading and converting artwork or photos. So you can see exactly how Love It Stitch It works. And maybe if you like to, you can upload your design onto the cross stitch marketplace over at loveitstitchit.com and make some money from your design at the same time. There's plenty of room as well for just peace, calm, and relaxation. You can make new friends. There will be tables of 10. And we have breakout rooms as well. There's a separate bar and restaurant area and a separate dedicated space off to the side of the main Horton suite over at the Burlington. So you can just take some time out to relax and be quiet if you'd like to. There's lots to see and do around the hotel, so if you want to go for a wander, that's also totally fine. Maybe a spot of shopping while you're down this way. The event itself is suitable for experienced stitchers, but also complete beginners. What is such a joy and what I love most about these events is that there's such a range of people, ages, backgrounds, where you're from, and also experience levels. Everyone brings something so unique, and it really is a sharing environment where we can all learn from each other and support us as we get creative, relax, make new friends, and just unwind. We do have a limited number available based on the capacity of the Burlington Hotel, so we only have 300 tickets, and when they are gone, they are gone. Our standard ticket price is £169, and our VIP with the added t-shirt and finishing workshop with all supplies included, the VIP ticket is £199. But you will also get 10% off those ticket prices if you are an All-Star member. So do not forget to add in your unique discount code, because that will really bring those prices down as well. In terms of accessibility and being able to get that ticket for yourself, you can purchase Caterpillar Cross Stitch gift vouchers in instalments. So you can buy £10, £20, whichever denomination you choose in advance, and use those against the purchase price. There's also PayPal Pay in 3 available if you have an account with them, and we will also have instalment options available. So check out the website from the 26th of January onwards to discover those details to make it really affordable and accessible for anyone. In terms of the snacks included as well, we do have vegan and gluten-free options available, so do not worry if you have any specific requirements for those pastries and the like. In terms of lunch, dinner, those other meals as well, we know people have all kinds of different requirements and of course preferences and tastes. And it is lovely to as well take time out to really just bond, maybe step away from the room itself, so that you're maybe getting a bit of fresh air, stretch your legs. Hopefully the weather is going to be delightful, and you can go and pick from a wide variety to suit all tastes and budgets of food outlets really close to the hotel. Our favourite top picks and recommendations will also be included in your printed keepsake event booklet, and also included in our instant download PDF guide to the Stitch Retreats. This is your time to use as you wish to make the most out of this. You can spend the entire whole weekend in that room cross-stitching if you want to just be there and get the most out of it. Alternatively, you can retreat to your lovely hotel room, wherever that might be. If you are staying at the Burlington Hotel, we have managed to negotiate a special discounted event hotel room rate as well, and breakfast is included in that. More details of how to get your specific discount on your room will be included in the product listing. But again, we do have a limited number of rooms available, but there's so many other options nearby. If you choose to upgrade your bedroom at the Burlington Hotel, even at the special discounted rate, but choose to upgrade to a double occupancy, you can easily do that, and it's only £15 extra, and that does include breakfast too. You can take time out to pop out for lunch, go to a walk, see what there is round about, see the town hall, library, all of the shops, restaurants and things to see. Even pop over to the Bullring. Read a book, watch a film, have a bath, go for some cocktails, why not? This is just for you. Head out and explore the gorgeous city of Birmingham. I am so excited to meet you all at this event, and I know Molly and the rest of the team are too. I know that we connect every day over social media and Zoom and the internet, but I think it's so important to connect in real life, person to person, and just make those bonds and connections, which often do last a lifetime. Hopefully you will get so much out of this retreat, and I offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee, because I am dedicated to working so hard to make sure that you absolutely enjoy every second of this event. Make new friends and connections which will often last a lifetime, and this is such a special, unique mini break just for yourself to do something so unique, and it's so lovely to just have that sense of belonging. That lovely warm feeling when you're in a room full of fantastic, spirited people, and people that are just so welcoming and warm and lovely and kind, with a newfound joy for the craft, motivation, and just happiness really to take back with you wherever you have come from. And do not forget before the event to brush up on your general knowledge, because there will be a special quiz while we are there that you can take part in, and there will also be extra prizes to be won. You will know I absolutely love a quiz, so get ready. Tickets for the 2024 Caterpillar Stitch Retreat go on sale at 7 p.m. UK time on Friday the 26th of January. So please do click the link in the description box down below. Also sign up for the VIP Stitch Club, and you will be the first to hear when they are available. You will get an instant email with the link contained in there, so that you can hop straight over to the website and hopefully be one of the lucky people that get one of those first 300 tickets to attend this event. Our website is caterpillarcrossstitch.com. Set your diaries now, set your calendars, record the date and the time, and I can't wait to see you all there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, we upload new cross-stitch specific videos every Monday at 7 p.m. UK time, so please do consider subscribing to the channel by clicking the button down below. Give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video and leave any comments that you have, any questions at all down below, or please do feel free also to send us an email to support@caterpillarcrossstitch.com, and hopefully I will be seeing you all on the 22nd of June. Bye.